सीधे आपको लिए चलते हैं, संसद की कार्रवाई इस वक्त शुरू हो चुकी है।
एंड श्री तेजवीर सिंह, श्री जगत प्रकाश नड्डा, polite, ever cheerful, presently leader of the House, is Minister of Health and Family Welfare and Chemicals and Fertilizers, as also National President of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Nadda ji has served 3 terms as MLA and held key positions.
Congratulate the Member of Parliament on asking me a very pertinent question. Andhra Pradesh government has taken substantial steps and given a lot of credence and recognition to the space of skilling. I'd like to inform the House and the Honourable Member that the entire system of giving national recognition to centres of excellence is designed to bring more visibility to impactful, credible institutions. We are providing a national recognition to these institutions. The Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship issued guidelines with this regard in 2019. A total of 6 COEs have been recognized, given that status by the Ministry. But apart from this, a total of 202 centres of excellence have been established with the help of our sector skill councils. The 36 sector skill councils, as you know, are the principal bodies where we involve industry. In fact, these organizations are led by industry and they work in coordination under the ministry as well. Sir, out of the 202, because the Honourable MP asked me about Andhra Pradesh, a total of 8 centres of excellence have been established in Andhra Pradesh. Thank you.
Representing Bihar in swimming champions during his school days. Dr. Malika Nadda, his spouse, a distinguished professor, is deeply committed to advancing the welfare of especially abled children, championing their rights and opportunities for a better future. She is the president of Special Olympics Bharat, and in May 2024, she was appointed as the chairperson of Asia Pacific Advisory Council of Special Olympics. I was recently privileged to inaugurate Asia Pacific Bocce and bowling competition in Delhi, an event.
Thank you. I thank the Honourable Member. It is true that Andhra Pradesh is a leader in the space of technologies with regards to green jobs. The Honourable MPs asked me specifically about the green job sector. I'd like to inform him that out of the 36 sector councils, one of our councils relates specifically to the space of green jobs. And there is a lot of potential. For instance, the PM Surya Ghar Muft Bijli scheme is targeting 1 lakh jobs. Our ministry is working in coordination with the ministry and the scheme. Under PMKVY 4, we are targeting to create a large number of jobs under this scheme. The Green Hydrogen Mission targets 6 lakh jobs in the value chain, and 50,000 OJT training is also targeted by the mission. Likewise, our ministry is working in consonance with that scheme as well. Sir, our Green Sector Council has trained 5,82,579 candidates in the space of solar energy, waste management, wind energy, green hydrogen, small hydro, and other green jobs. The Honourable MP is asked specifically with regards to setting up a centre of excellence in the state of Andhra Pradesh. I would recommend that the Honourable MP can work with the state government, can identify credible institutions that are active in that space, and can recommend the same to my ministry. We will follow due process.
माननीय सदस्यगणों, प्रश्नकाल आपका समय है। मैं आग्रह करता हूं कि प्रश्नकाल को आप चलने दें। कृपया अपनी अपनी सीट पर विराजें। सदन की कार्रवाई आज 12 बजे तक के लिए स्थगित की जाती है।
Chaudhary and daughter Srimati Meenakshi Chaudhary. On behalf of this House, I wish him the best.
के बीच लोकसभा की कार्रवाई स्थगित कर दी गई है। हालांकि राज्यसभा की कार्रवाई अब भी जारी है। तो शुरुआत होते ही आपने देखा किस तरीके से वहां पर भारी हंगामा हुआ और अब कार्रवाई को स्थगित करना पड़ा है। अडानी के मुद्दे पर विपक्ष का संसद में हंगामा हो रहा था, जैसा कि माना जा रहा था कि अडानी पर विपक्ष हमलावर हो सकता है और यही आज हफ्ते के पहले दिन देखने को मिला। लोकसभा की कार्रवाई 12 बजे तक के लिए स्थगित कर दी गई।